afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Abel Elpas, 21 years old, taking Bachelor's of Science in Agriculture. Thank you.
Pagkakapon sa Iloga Boss. 17 taong gulang, BSA 1C.
Number!
My name is Elsevier Rasal from the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources. And I'm proud to represent Campus Building House. Good evening everyone. My name is Alexander Villamar Sorero. BSA 1B. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Alden Bayrante, 18 years old, BSA.
Maray na hapon po sa inyo, kabos. Ako nga pula si Jemar Sibarios, BSA 1X.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. My name is Jobert Nava, 17 years of age, from College of Ghana.
Okay, sorry, ang layo-layo kasi ng microphone ko. Anyway, you're actually true partner na ang gagwapo naman tagat ng kikisig ng ating mga contestants ngayong araw. Ngayong gabi, I believe. I believe ang dami-dami na may bet ng kanilang contestants partner. I believe so, na ang dami na rin mata nag-i-enjoy, di ba girls? Alright, walang girls? How about boys na lang? Okay. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we would like to formally introduce ourselves. My name is Donna Juarez.
At I am Jessie Dumagsang.
And we're going to be your host for tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, yung pitong contestants po, sila na po ang maglalaban-laban for tonight. And alam po natin na there will be no winners without the judges. So we would like to formally start the introduction of the Board of Judges. So we have our first judge, partner. Oh, I believe I have it. Alright, our first judge is from my Katmon Bilaol, Camarines Sur. He graduated high school at San Antonio National High School as salutatorian. He is currently a student of CBSUA, taking a Bachelor of Arts in English Language, third year. He is the USSC Senator from 2013 to 2014, USSC Vice President from 2014 to 2015, and the FU SSC Auditor from 2014 to 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, the very hunky Mr. Raymond A. Villongo.
Our second judge is from Sagrada Iriga City. She graduated at Sagrada National High School and she is now studying at Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education. She is Miss Interims 2012 during her high school life, Miss Goodwill 2014, Miss CW2S 2013, Miss Interims 2014 College Level, and Miss Escola 2014 third runner-up. She is Miss Abigail General.
And of course, we have our third judge. He is from New San Rota Pili, Camarines Sur. He graduated high school at USI Pili campus. He's currently taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education here in our very own school, CBSUA. He is one of the future farmers of the Philippines Collegiate Chapter, one of the Sentinel Guild of English Majors, Major of Society of Development Educators. He is one of the Pilinat News editors from 2012 to 2013. He's the editor-in-chief of Pilinat from 2013 up to present. The Junior Fire Marshal from 2009 up to present. He's also the Lakas ng Kabataan Board of Director, and presently he's an English pre-service teacher at Pili National High School. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, the very handsome Mr. Arwin M. Olive. And this time, partner, of course, since we have the judges, kailangan naman natin malaman on how are they going to rate our contestants. So you have in your hands, partner, the criteria for the judging.
Okay, the criteria for judging are appearance 10%, creativity 25%, showmanship 30%, intelligence 20%, audience impact 15%, a total of 100%.
And of course, I believe you have also the mechanics on how they're going to rate and how they're going to take that. So please read those mechanics too.
The mechanics are, the competitor must in character and the chosen hero. The competitor must have an intelligence and common sense. The competitor must follow the rules of the trainer. The competitor must respect each other. And also, the competitor must have good personality.
Thank you so much, partner. This time, ladies and gentlemen, of course, you are all now excited to see one more time the 7 hunky candidates. But ladies and gentlemen, they are still doing their thing at the back. So I need to call first for an intermission number, the rhetorical organization. Please